Today in math, we're going to talk about what it means to have more of something. And if you are saying that you have more of something, then you have a larger amount. So I want to take my bears and I want to match each bear with a wood block. All right, so I'll match my red bear with a block, my green bear with a block, my blue bear with a block, and my yellow bear with a block. But I'm all out of bears and I still have one block left. So I have 4 bears and I have 5 blocks. Which one is more? Well, I matched up all those blocks and I still have one left over. So I have more blocks than I do bears. So 5 is more than 4. Let's do another example. This time I'm going to use my different colored counters. And I have red counters and I have yellow counters. And I want to match up each counter. So I want to match a red counter with a yellow counter, a red counter with a yellow counter, and then, I've got one left over. So I have 2 red counters and I have 3 yellow counters. Which one is more? Right, I have more yellow counters. There's the one that's left over after I match them up. So 3 is more than 2. And now I'm going to show you what you will be working on today in your math workbook. Here is page 66, and you can do this page with me if you want. And what we're going to be doing is the same thing. We're going to be matching up the presents at the top with the presents at the bottom. But because they're on paper, I can't move them together. So I'm going to draw a line to match them. So I'm going to match this present with this one. And this, I'm just going to draw a line straight down, matching those presents up. Well, I have one left over. Do you know what that means? Yep, there are more presents on the top row than on the bottom. There are 5 presents at the top and 4 presents at the bottom. So 5 is more than 4. And it's always good to try to put that in a sentence form because now with math, we have to be able to explain our answers a lot of the times. So to just say it in a sentence, 5 is more than 4, is good practice. All right, looks like we're getting ready for a party. We've got presents, we've got party hats and cups. So let's match up the hats with the cups. So again, just draw your line straight down. And which one do you have more of? Right, you have a leftover cup. So there are more cups than there are party hats. There are 2 party hats. There are 3 cups. So 3 is more than 2. On your own, I want you to do page 68 in your math workbook and match those up just like what we just did. And try to tell your big person using that sentence about which one is more, because that's really good practice.